This is the largest underwear Stocklot wholesale market in China, Yiwu. See a lot of foreigners come here every day. They buy container and container. These are all exports to foreign countries. All these are underwear Stocklot in China. Every day, container and container goods are exported to foreign countries, especially India, African countries, and also Middle East countries. All these are large warehouses. Every day, containers of containers are exported to foreign countries. This is the largest underwear and sporting wears. The Stocklot prices are very good in prices. The prices are very cheap. All these are the warehouses of the underwear and sporting wears. All are underwear Stocklot and sporting undershirts, underwear, sporting. The quality are excellent, but the price are very cheap. Every day foreigners come here to take container by container. You even cannot imagine how cheap the price are. See?